Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to hide Google Photos in a locked folder on iPhone. So if you already created a locked folder on the Google Photos, and now you want to hide photos in your Google Photos in locked folder, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to hide Google Photos in a locked folder on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Google Photo app on your iPhone. Then select the photo you want to hide in the locked folder. You can just scroll through. Go ahead and then select the photo you want to hide in the locked folder. So just press and hold the photo so that you'll be able to select multiple. Then select as many as you want. So just scroll through and select others. Now, once you've selected all the photos, you see the number of photos you selected here. Here you can see we have 5 photos. Then scroll through the navigation and then locate and click on Move to Locked Folder. Then if you have not set up locked folder on your iPhone, you'll be prompted to set up locked folder before you can move the selected Google Photos to the locked folder. Then here you see photos and video in locked folders are hidden and won't show up as you scroll through Google Photos or in other apps. Open with your device screen lock. Created photos won't be moved. These include copies, edited version, and share photos saved by others. Now, to hide Google Photos in locked folder on your iPhone, go ahead and click on Setup Locked Folder. Then tap Open with Passcode. Type in your iPhone passcode. Then you should say Turn on Backup or Do not turn on backup. But in this case, if you want to back up your locked folder, tap Turn on Backup. And if you don't want to back up, just tap Do not backup. Then you should say Lock Folder Backup is off. Now, if you want to move this photo to locked folder, just go ahead and click on Continue. Then I should say Move to Locked Folder. Then click on Move. And I should say Move to Locked Folder. Allow Google Photo to delete 5 photos. So if you want to delete this photo from your device, go ahead and tap Delete or Don't Allow. Then it will be moved completely from your device to the locked folder. I can now say Moved to Locked Folder. Click on OK, and then you are good. Now I can now go ahead and check your locked folder on your iPhone to see the photo you moved to the locked folder on your iPhone. So that is exactly how to hide Google Photos in locked folder on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.